Hello friends. Here's a classic Italian pizza recipe. Ingredients. For the dough: 2¼ teaspoons, 1 packet, active dry yeast. 1½ cups warm water. 3½ cups all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon sugar. For the sauce: 1 can, 14-ounce, crushed tomatoes. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 1 teaspoon dried basil. Salt and pepper to taste. Toppings: fresh mozzarella cheese, sliced or grated. Fresh basil leaves. Any desired toppings, pepperoni, mushrooms, bell peppers, etc. Instructions. For the dough: in a small bowl, combine the warm water, sugar, and yeast. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes frothy. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour and salt. Make a well in the center and pour in the yeast mixture and olive oil. Mix until it forms a dough. Knead the dough on a floured surface for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it with a damp cloth, and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 to 1.5 hours until it doubles in size. For the sauce: in a saucepan, heat some olive oil over medium heat. Add minced garlic and sauté until fragrant. Add the crushed tomatoes, dried oregano, dried basil, salt, and pepper. Simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until the sauce thickens. Set aside. Putting it all together: preheat your oven to its highest temperature, usually around 500 degrees Fahrenheit per 260 degrees Celsius, and place a pizza stone or baking sheet inside to heat up. Punch down the risen dough and divide it into 2 equal portions. Roll out each portion into a round shape on a floured surface. Transfer the rolled dough onto parchment paper. Spread a thin layer of the prepared tomato sauce over the dough, leaving a border for the crust. Add the sliced or grated mozzarella cheese and any desired toppings. Carefully transfer the pizza, on the parchment paper, onto the preheated pizza stone or baking sheet. Bake in the preheated oven for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned. Remove from the oven, sprinkle with fresh basil leaves, slice, and serve hot. Enjoy your homemade Italian pizza.